Hey guys, it's CreeperBro here, and I am continuing on night 2, apparently. That's not normal, I'm supposed to be on night 3. Whatever. Must be like a glitch. Luckily night 2 was easy, so I'll just do it again. Wanna know what? Hey guys, and I'm back. Yeah, I almost died. But I did develop a plan that I used on my iPad, which actually helped, and then let me die from Foxy. Yes, because Foxy almost murdered me. Now this is a plan, okay. Okay, so look at your thing at Foxy, then check this light and this light. Then go back to the no, the left side, then check Foxy, light, light. So yeah. Oh wait, one of my friends says this is when G Freddy comes. Why don't they do that to Golden Freddy? Dang it, I messed up. Okay, there. It's a very hard procedure, and you could possibly die from Freddy. I hope I don't die. Music? Why do I hear music? Oh, I think I might just only do this night because my scared level is like really high. So, yeah. And even better, I have to do 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 if I make it to the final night. The custom night. I've seen people do it. Don't blame me. I'm messing up this procedure so bad. I don't care. As long as I live, I'm fine. No, turn off. I'm so bad. Why does this game have... Never mind. I mean, there are flipping animatronics trying to murder me. I don't like when I get murdered. Wanna know why? At least it's not glitched this time. Like last episode. Only problem is I can't go fast. But whatever, I don't really care. As long as I survive, I'm fine. And I heard Freddy's 2 is coming out next year. So I'm gonna be playing that too. I hate my life when it comes to this game. 2 a.m. Oh my god. It's actually 2 a.m. Am I gonna live? Am I gonna die? Honestly, I don't really think Foxy's that much of a threat if you just keep looking at him. But honestly, I see why people think of him as a threat because he is flippin' scary. Why couldn't they just make this game like fun? Like just make like My Little Pony kill you. I like when ponies kill me. Laughing. I should probably put up these doors. Yes, I can see very fast in this game now. I can react really fast. I'm just glad I'm awesome. Yeah, I don't really have anything to talk about except that this game is scary. Yeah. Why is it Dum Dum? I'm so scared. The scary thing is, no one has decided to kill me yet. What the? Freddy's gone! I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm at like 38%. It's 4 a.m. I'm just legit shaking. Look at that one freaky, like, Freddy poster. I'm ready to give it up all right here. Oh my god! He's in the room. I can tell he's in the room. He's in the room. Screw it. I might as well sacrifice myself. Huh? Oh good, he's not in the room. I thought he was in the room. I was panicking. That panic leads me to death. Death, I say. Death. Please say I make it. As long as Bonnie stays there, I'm pretty good with Freddy. No, not Freddy. Foxy. But Chica is the one that currently worries me. For some apparent reason. He's still there. Oh my god. It's like the third night. He's supposed to be basically useless. Foxy is supposed to do stuff. Oh my god. Screw it. The power's out. I'm not gonna look, so if you hear silence, that's me. Because I am not looking. If it makes it to 6, yippee! But I am not looking. If you hear silence, this is me. I made it! Yay! We're ready to have fun with the animatronics that want to kill you. 4th night. Not doing this night. I'm not doing this night. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys later. Bye.